Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
JM, your former president, was election 2016. You
there be one kasa.
Was it? Na your kasa. Election. You regular then.
Tell me, a small kind and they say. The use of IT. They transfer election results no. The possibility say a bit me arregino. And all my instances or the Ghana and Kenya county one can categorically say
sir. I didn't was it Charlotte say mu make anche Ghana for.
Sir or say easy nankasano. Or the by say the system no compromised. Do because I say onya aware say isi nankasa constitute panel bi so mo hwehwe sa asem no mo meka bibia so nche Ghana for, and it is only fair say before I be 2020 elections no mo no ombeba beka sa asem no dey see potiri a chere Ghana for. Okay,
yo me that say I think say commissioner was to say no chairperson and deputies no omo ne de omo eni ho nimdia bia so ho eti say yema me Charlotte say ne Amadu Sule ana opokwa mankwa ebetimi ababeka niesiye ache Ghana for nkebeye pa but yo
increased use of IT in elections has become topical. The use of IT in results transmission and the possibility of hacking have created new fears about the manipulation of results. Examples of this can be found in the recent elections in Ghana, Kenya, and Sierra Leone. During the last presidential election in Ghana, the Electoral Commission directed its staff to stop using the electronic transmission system to communicate results to the tallying center because the system had been compromised. The result had to therefore be tallied manually, leading to attendant tensions and the delay of the announcement of the final results. As I speak, I'm not aware that the Electoral Commission has carried out any investigation into what compromised their IT system. And even if they have, we the stakeholders, the political parties, have not been briefed on what caused the corruption of the system. In the interest of transparency, it is important for Ghanaians to understand what happened before we go into another election.
Anyway,
she ebra eba beto aba no na won se na MPP kra na e push say yenkosa electronic system no ebe be ye ayi bebre we si anye we si ebe ye ene ne kai ga ho so na be de ayi aye nya yen tip of ye nya ye as a party MPP na there was a center bia NDC for asset ewo Kumasi na eno ano mo say electronically no omo de ba beje resource no every various constituencies eti eba omo office na omo setting up ewo Kumasi na they work on it then ababe fa a system no in fact ye nya sa internal ya ntena se yanso ye adwuma pa ye adwuma den na Ghana Electoral Commission adentin na say obitimi temper with the server etiema ye ni da ho netia up to now NDC wo mo chairman of elections committee eye ene omo chairman eda ofusu ampofo went me anya results for 2016 up to eno no so they were depending on that. I think NDC omo center na omo be manipulative figures no eno no omo be ja tum na nka Electoral Commission fa na encrophobia jaduma make sure sesa NDC center no function am function so eti ejina ho ye twen results ya tenase ma na je say esiso become no kasi dabi ade no obi atempa when the temper who server obi antempa o server but you were waiting for results from NDC coalition center.
How do you substantiate that?
Sase we ayaka enye na
the fact say enye na wo kan nkyere say
na ya we
papa
we nya se vuvro wo mo angasa nim edinti no mo ntima collate results ye bubo abanyi na wie na NDC ni results no enu ntia ye share officer ye kika nwa bom ye ade no the figures ye nya no ye party office
na mo hacking no
dabi ya hacking obia ye de ne say police station fabra Peace FM police station fabra we fabra ne akika bom na ye ekọ wa hu ne de no eti we wait hwe me call ye monitoring of voter region county no eto me wo Kwando constituency before say me ba be flu ho no mo aba Accra be ye say 9 o'clock no na ye kita percentage ayenya and your results e wo Kwando ankasa eba abonten and the letter commission there no pe so on there no eti say President Mahama be kasa se mo ya emu wiram kakra in the sense say yanko electronic way electoral commission anko electronic way in 2016 wamuje manual tally ewo honum eti obeka se ebia obi hakiye anase bibisa eti no eka ho na ebia eya enya sa statement we ngwa o wodi ka ka obabi deda se MPP erege elections no anam si wow president o tra ho pa mi etimi rege odia na je se emu oyirem pa so ho na ete no eti ne wo kan de I don't think say ya dibia esisi yesum electoral commission ka se wo call electronics there was so many ye can say securities esese wo mutimi edigu so making sure say nobody can tamper with it nobody obetima temper with that
but adeba kwa mpese me hu ni say was there any point in time results no there modify electronic no and manual one no na difference wo mu ana
antima mampo yeah tonight after midnight na electoral commission antima present one constituency cry one timi electronic bi ama yet one must have who is at no man and obi atempanti no yenko the manual way at 275 constituencies resource na omu collect wo headquarters ni nyina was manual na the electronic biom so hu de no eti me ayami nwanwa say former president can say but going forward no ye de say your manual say electronic ye de you ready we are prepared ye be making sure say your team e betena say ye be set up ye depending solely on electoral commission results and send electoral commission be collecting there no na ye nya de at the polling station odododio na ye name the number of votes ye nya ho percentage wise in the kai ka ho at ye be ka constituencies ni nyina abomu no na ye kita results entimi nkonko ye different from ye can say electoral commission price or minus entimi nko ye can say more than 1% or less than 1% so on no eti ye no ye focus ye I mean just say ye ready say come what may we are ready for electoral commission say efuno wa ana de fa baby ya hake ya yesei ene ne kika ho but ye nye to aba no kwa de justice Atuguba Adaroma o ma ye hu say ezi say odu wani to form na ade no onya weni no police station ho a wa weni wo lusu police station ho no a wa lusu nya be media no media you crowd so it is because of Samuel Madintino ye hanya ni pa ema bibia kokama ye set up all the constituency centers look ye che laptop mobile yanka say designing ye can say ye software ye de be sa additions ne ye kai ka ho ya ki adinagum NDC nya 40 MPP enya 400 CPP nya 2 ene ye ka nya bubodi inagum e ma ye percentage ne ye kai ka ho ina both presidential and parliamentary and before say be ye no ne ye nim the number of seats yanya answer electoral commission kra aba eti ordinary ye confident as you 2016 ya win ade no nti ya tempo you go ahead and do the tally for us
nomsio na menko Alhaji Naziru ho emra